Kia ora. I love giving you ideas of how to make the most of our Te Reo Singalong books, and here's an idea for making the most of maranga mai. Children are always near animals, and you might have animals at your home or your centre or your school, and you're out on trips and you see animals. We're out on a trip today and we came across this big aviary, and I thought it would be a wonderful place to demonstrate how you can use these phrases. So for example, this one is hea ha te tangi. So let's see if this works. Hea ha te tangi a te manu. What does a bird say? Oh well, the duck joined in, that was good. Hea ha te tangi a te raki raki. Hea ha te tangi a te manu. And so you can use that phrase whenever there's any noise around the place. Maybe if there's a dog barking, or you come up to a dog and you say to the child, oh, hea ha te tangi a te kuri. What does the dog say? So just make sure you're using these phrases around you when children and animals are together. Ka kite.